Tá sé do creide go muid an seo an old school seo Houston. Leroy Burrell agus an taobh eile Carl Lewis agus tá sé go hart mar go ná coach, go ná tréálaí. Ach nuair a thosaí sesin amach in 1984 bhris sé amach ar down and down agus is cuinnm go maithe Cara bound or in Los Angeles. Morning, Carl.
Oh.
Hector.
Hey, good seeing you.
Carl, I'm going to have to be honest. I can't believe I'm sitting here in Houston with you, and because you haven't changed a bit. You haven't changed a bit from that man who was blowing up my television. You were running out the side of my telly and into the kitchen. You were that fast.
Right.
Man, I cannot believe it.
Thank
I'm
you.
trying to hold it in here. Do you know? I'm trying to hold it in.
You're only you're good halfway.
The first Olympic medal, was that the sweetest?
You don't know what it's like to win one until you do, and it was phenomenal. It was amazing in Los Angeles, and to do it in your home country, and
I remember it.
But it was also one of 4, so I didn't have time to like, oh, this is great, and go out, and because the next day I had to compete again. So when you go 7 out of 8 consecutive days, you don't really have time to celebrate each one. You do it in the moment, then your mind has to move on.